the ocean blue. Every mile.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reggie. If you're new here, karibu sana. So I want to redo my wardrobe. So I don't know if you watched this makeover video in the other channel, the revamp with double R. So we did this like a couple of months ago, and the wardrobe situation is not really working for me. I'm not an open wardrobe kind of a person. I like things to be covered. So there is also the dresser that I did that I flip. I want to bring it back to the bedroom because I feel like it is more me when it is here than when it is in the living area. So let's get started. I don't know, my bedroom is a mess because of clothes. I've been trying to like get my clothes together, but it's really not working. So without any further ado, let's get straight to this video. For some weird reason, I'm excited to bring that dresser back here. So let's do this. So the dresser is in, so I need to like make this one work with this dresser in a way that it will look like one piece rather than two piece. So yes, so let's do that. Previously, this is how the whole wardrobe used to be. It was a hanging, then two open shelf, but now I want to bring this dresser, the dresser here, but the problem is the dresser is longer than whatever was here before, so it has to like enter kidogo ifunike dresser ndio kukuwe na space ya mlango mtu kutumia. So either I cut this into like 27 inches, or I just like know how it's going to work around it.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I fall. So many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time.
So the door is up. I've already completed that. Then I've done like a joint over there because your mbao haikutoshea, and I have this longer one that I didn't want to cut because I have another project that need a longer one, so I decided to just do like a joint over there. So I think I'm officially done, so nikupanga tu, then I show you guys how it looks. But so far so good. I exactly what I wanted. I may decide to paint the white black, but for now let's see how it will look with all the pieces put back together.
Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away without a fight. There will be a time.
So I feel like I'm going to end today here. So dress imeingia vizuri, it is exactly what I wanted. The only issue I have with it is that the door has now kinda tiny, so maybe tomorrow I will see, if I sleep I will see what to do with it. So apart from that, then tomorrow I want to also paint this part that is white to black, so that it can blend in and be like one piece instead of two piece. Then so in the meantime I'm going to arrange clothes zenye zinaweza kwa dresser ndio pale kulala. So yeah, I will see you back tomorrow morning.
The next day.
Walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me. Time is losing all its meaning, like I'm living in a dream, and I've been chasing all the feelings I need. It's in these moments with words unspoken, my eyes wide open, life tastes so sweet. It's in these moments where all I know is coming into focus, and now I see. It's in these moments. It's in these moments. Oh, I got lost on a winding road in the dark of night with the stars aglow. Heaven's up above, got me below as I head to you like the river flows. Walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me. Time is losing all its meaning.